Hey YouTube, welcome back. Problem number 219 contains duplicate, the second version. So it's a pretty simple problem to understand. We have an integer array called nums, and we have an integer called k. And we need to return true if, one, there are two distinct indices, I and j, such that nums of I equals nums of j, so we have duplication, and I minus j is less than or equal k. Okay, so we have two conditions here. We need to find a duplicates, and the I minus j should be less than or equal k. Okay, so if we take some examples here, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, we have here index of 0 and index of 3. So I minus j is less than or equal k because 0 minus 3 is 3, and 2 and they equal each other, so we return true. Okay, how we could solve this problem? We could solve this problem in 3 steps. Like we store the last index of each value in a map, and we do 3 things. Let's just type them here. First, if the value, let's say first, if the value, oh, let me put this down. Yep. Okay, so if the value has been seen before, we check the distance to the current index. Okay. Number 2, if the distance, which is I minus k, less than or equal k, we return true. Otherwise, we continue, we update the index. And that's it. It's pretty simple. Okay, let's see how we are going to do this. Can I put the code here in the far left? So we start by creating our map. And I will create a for loop for let I equals 0. I should be less than nums.length, and I is plus plus. Okay. I'll create an if statement here. If map dot has nums of I, if that was the case, I would say const the previous index will equals and the previous is j. Basically, we don't have to make duplicate loops. Because of that, we did use the map because we only want to make one loop. We don't need to make like a lot of inserted loops in each other. So the prev will equals map dot get, and I'll try to get nums of I. So basically here we are searching for duplication. Okay. So if map.has nums of I, if that means basically, has we already seen this number before? If that was yes, that means basically we find the duplication. So when we find the duplication, we need to know right now, is the distance less than or equal k or not? So right now we have prev, and I'll say if I less than prev should be less than or equal k. If that was the case, we return true because we find everything we know. Here we will say again, we map dot set nums of I, and I will put it to I. And no, this should be in the loop. And if we didn't return true and the loop ended, we return false. And I guess that's it. Let's run and see if it worked or not. It did work. Okay. Let's submit it and see how it will do. Okay, it's doing pretty good. So yeah, it's I guess it was easy problem to solve, an easy problem to understand as well. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope you like this video. And yeah, guys, see you in the future.